for those of us who enjoy flow typing or gesture typing, whatever you want to call it. See, predictive text there with Google's Gboard, really good predictive text. I really find that Gboard is the best keyboard. Now, why is that? Well, if you notice the broad strokes going across there. See that? I like that broad pen effect flowing with my finger. And that's wider than the other keyboards. And I kind of like that. What do you guys think? Do you enjoy flow typing like I do? Because I think it's really awesome. And also in my previous video, I showed how with emojis, we can search for, like right now it's raining outside, and you can search for the emoji, and you've got all kinds of cool emojis. However, for the best emojis, head on over to emojipedia.org, and there you're going to find the full range of emojis that you may not have in other phones. For example, an Emojipedia is great because it shows you how each emoji is rendered with the different vendors and apps, and also gives you a See Also page for related emojis. Very, very cool website. Have you enjoyed this quick tour through Gboard and emojis? Please post your comments below, and as always, feel free to post your favorite emoji. Thanks, guys. See you next time.